About this item: enjoy exploring fun with Vankey Big Cell Phone Telescope Adapter, Bluesky V1L. Connect your phone with telescope or microscope to explore far beautiful scene and amazing micro world. Applicable eyepiece range: fits the outer diameter range of eyepiece, 28 to 62 mm /1.1 to 2.44 inch. Fits most of spotting scopes, binoculars, monocular, astronomical telescope or microscopes. Suggest measuring the outer diameter of your eyepiece before ordering. If less than 28 mm, choose small version TMP09. Applicable phone width range: fits the phone width range is 53 to 93 mm /2.08 to 3.66 inch, such as iPhone, Samsung etc. May not properly fit pixel, Samsung Galaxy S20/S21/S22 series, because the volume and power button on these phones are on the same side, which may cause the phone clamp wing to squeeze the side button. If your phone with armored case or bulky case, remove it to ensure the phone fits in the phone clamp well. Safe and durable: the surface to connect phone and eyepiece are covered by soft EVA pad, that prevent your device from being scratched or damaged. The body is made of zinc alloy. The phone clamp is made of high-strength PA plastic. One purchase for a long time use. Customer service: 2 years warranty, 90-day money-back warranty. If our cell phone adapter does not work